Yeah. So we got these volcano cameras for about 2 years now, and they're pretty good. They've still lasted. Comes with a waterproof case and mounts, quite a lot of mounts. And let's show you some clips of what it looks like. So hey guys, this is what it looks like on the GoPro. Gonna show you little clips of me doing my little ramp on the J board. Okay, let's see. The case isn't on because it doesn't put the sound on when the case is on, but you can buy cases with holes in them that have sound. This is just the waterproof one, but my sister and my brother have 2 other ones that I'll put holes in them so the sound comes out. So it's pretty clear, and if you want to learn how to put it onto your phone, you take your SD card, any card that you put in there, and you go into your phone, and you go to your gallery, and you want to get this app called inshot. It says either video player or inshot. You go and press on inshot. You gotta learn how to use it. I'll show you in another video in like tomorrow maybe. If this gets over 1 line, I'm just playing around, I will do the video tomorrow on how to use inshot. And this is how you grab up. And yeah, that's part of the clip. Let's go and do the water one. Here's the cover. We're going to put you in the cover in like 2 seconds and put you that water there. So let's go. You won't hear me for quite a long time whilst you're under the water. So see you after you're in the water. And yeah, so let's go back onto my phone and later. Guys, that's it probably, and yeah, see you in the next video. And it's the same charger as a GoPro Hero, and it's pretty nice. So see you later.